Can the Prime Minister tell the people of this country?
The opposition leader did a follow-up on his COVID-19 vaccines questions from last week, again directing it to the Prime Minister.
What is his government's clear policy on vaccination? You cannot say, oh, it's not compulsory, but companies are at liberty. You are leaving the doors open for abuse.
We need the economy to function also. We find a fine balance between safety of our country and our people, as well as keeping the economy running, Mr. Speaker. And so, in that context, our companies in our country will not be imposed by our government that you have compulsory vaccination. That option remains for them to be open, but they must operate. It is their call to operate in a safe workplace environment.
Mr. Marape adds companies have a duty to the well-being of their employees and customers under occupational health and safety measures.
A company will operate under Companies Act. Company also will operate under the Occupational Health and Safety Act. Only got right long deciding one and workplace safety belong company belong up. Our human right is fundamental, but you must also say all this right is also a qualified right. You must exercise right within the context of right to.
The Prime Minister told Parliament that if anyone felt their rights have been in any way violated during the time of the pandemic, they can report the matter. That would test and see the Pandemic Act take effect. The opposition leader also queried public funds spent in the COVID-19 response.
When his government will table the audit report on COVID funds, Treasurer's financial statement is not an audit report.
But exactly how much money along National Control Center, the Health Minister's statement is in fact coming on after this question time, and by making some legally, but the full report, hopefully in September, is ready, and we will table it to Parliament. Parliament has a view on what has happened in the National Control Center in as far as financial expenditures is concerned.
Bradley Valenaki, National EMTV News.